Todd here with Jeep Speed Shop. Here we are testing a new idea. Everybody's been wanting it. We just haven't been doing it. But Grand Cherokee shifter running the JL shifter knob with the indicator from the JL, but I think the Grand Cherokee one's the same. We kind of cut it into the console there. And so then you start it up, you get parked. So then the shifter, you get drive, park, reverse, everything works. So, all right, well, just a quick summary of the different shifter idea that we're going to be running. All right, Jeep Speed Shop.